I used to think it was the program that was the problem. Like, you could look at Ideal Protein, packaged foods and shakes, Isogenic shakes, even Weight Watchers. Most people aren't going to do that, count points the rest of their life. And packaged foods and only shakes without real whole food is probably not going to do offer the long-term results that you're looking for. However, it could be the best program in the world. Like, you see great results. Let's say you see great results in 90 days, you're looking at 10, 15, 20 pounds, and you leave the program, and then you go back and gain that weight back because you left and you weren't quite ready. It's not necessarily the program's problem, right? It's the long-term commitment in our mindset that, oh, I'm going to go off and do this on my own, even though you've been doing it on your own for 20 years and it hasn't worked. So we still need the 3 pillars of accountability, nutrition, and fitness, and that can be replaced long-term when you're ready. Again, it's usually not the program, it's the person that hasn't committed long enough to make that happen.